Support and resistance, concepts that have stood the test of time in the financial markets. And today, we're not only going to get you confident enough to spot support and resistance, but we're going to show you how you can have it marked on your charts in just a simple click of a button. This is all part of our journey in building your trading skills, abilities, and confidence. Firstly, what exactly are support and resistance levels? Let's explain it in a really simple way. Think of a support level acting as the floor of the market. So it represents a price level at which a market tends to stop falling. Essentially what it does is it holds prices higher. On the other hand, think of a resistance level as acting as a ceiling to the market. So it represents a price level in which the asset tends to stop rising. Essentially, it holds prices lower. These really are the building blocks for technical analysis, offering insight into potential market turning points, and understanding this is the backbone for any successful trader.
Okay, so now we understand support and resistance. What we want to try and do, first of all, is draw that on our MT4 or MT5 platforms. Really simple to do. What I'm going to do is show you how to draw trend lines, essentially. So when you load up your MT4 platform, you've probably got something maybe that looks a little bit like this. First thing you want to do is just right click, and you can just get rid of that grid, so it just makes everything look a bit cleaner. And at the top here, we want to make sure we've got candlesticks set. Now, what we then do is we load up a chart of our choice, and we can do that on this market watch list here, where you can literally just click and drag that over, no problem at all. And then we want to try and spot some support and resistance. So areas in which the market's clearly bounced off of a few times. The way we do that is if we just get this horizontal line at the top here, we click that and move that over, and we start to try and find, okay, so where were some areas where the market saw support, for example? Well, you can see here the market 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, on 6 occasions around this level, you can see acted as support, and you can see how we've marked that support area just like that. And for resistance, the exact opposite, up to trend lines, click on that draw horizontal line, and you can see on maybe 2 or 3 occasions up at the top here, you can see that we've had the market sort of kept, this resistance area has kept prices lower. So markets have been kept lower at this resistance area, and the price has been kept higher at this support area there. And just try and spot those support and resistance areas using these trend lines, this horizontal line. You can also draw a trend line maybe that's not straight like that by using this tool, the trend line tool, or you can draw a vertical line as well, but you're probably not going to need that for support and resistance. So just these two, horizontal line and trend line.
Now then, what if I told you that at How to Trade, we have an automated tool that can spot support and resistance areas all automatically just for you? Yep, that's right. We have a downloadable tool that you can apply to your MetaTrader platforms. With a click of a button, it will show you support and resistance levels color-coded to different time frames. I know this is an exciting concept, but that doesn't discredit your work that's gone into understanding what support and resistance is, because for your own confidence in using this tool, I think personally it's vitally important that you're aware of how this trading concept works. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you through how to get the support and resistance tool set up on your platforms. So all you need to do is make sure you have your platform loaded up on your computer and simply follow me.
So now I'm going to show you how we set up the support and resistance tool on our MT4 platforms. So if we go onto the How to Trade website and we click on Tools, then we want to head over to Automation. And when we scroll down, you can see we've got our EAs for you right there, our expert advisors. We want to focus on the support and resistance tool. It's in this bottom right here, and we simply just click Download for MT4. Then load up your documents, and you will see the folder here as your compressed zipped folder. Want to right click on that, click Extract All. You'll get another pop-up, just click Extract, and that will load up the file for you. If you somehow lose it, if you just go back, we just want to click the one which just says File Folder. And if you just follow me, we just click through all the folders until we get to the tool here. And then what I want you to do is just copy that, whether that's Control-C or right-click and copy, however you want to do it. Close that down. MT4 platforms, head over to File, Open Data folder. You'll get a pop-up that looks like this. We want to click on MQL4, then Experts, and paste that in. So that's pasting that support and resistance tool in. Close this down, and then we want to focus on this bottom left-hand corner here, this navigator section. If we scroll down, you can see down here, very small, it says Expert Advisors. If you right-click there and click Refresh, you can see our support and resistance tool comes up. And then it's just a simple case, click and drag over, and then enter your trading room, your website username and password. If you get stuck with this bit, you can contact support and they'll be able to help you with the username and password. Click OK. And there we have it, the support and resistance tool loaded up on our platforms there. We can tag the 1 hour support and resistance, that comes up in this yellow line. 4 hour support and resistance comes up in the orange line. We've got daily support and resistance, which comes up in a red line, and weekly support and resistance, which comes up in blue, and that's all automated for us.
So then, to conclude, support and resistance levels are pivotal in understanding market turning points. Recognizing these levels will improve your confidence as a trader tenfold. Even better than that, you now have an automated tool set up on your platforms and ready to go. This is just one of the 3 tools that will get set up on your platforms. Exercise time, make sure you really understand how support and resistance work, and to do that, let's complete this exercise. Pick any market you like, and I want you to spot and mark support and resistance that you see on the 5 minute, the 1 hour, and the 4 hour time frames. Good luck.